Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to create something fun out of quick links balloons from Qualitix. I always wanted to use these balloons and I'm finally getting to it. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and these two necklaces that I'm wearing right now that I bought from Amazon will be linked in the description under this video as well. Without any further ado, let's go. And here is what I am planning to use in today's video. I am using quick link balloons by Qualitix. These are bags of 50 balloons, so overall I have 100. They are 12-inch balloons. I am planning to use 260s Qualitix balloons as well. This is all I have. I need more, and they didn't come in the mail yet, so I am turning to Dollar Store. Dollar Store sells bags of assortment balloons, and I will be pulling out 260s out of my Dollar Store baggie. Whatever I will be using on top of this, I'll let you know throughout the video. I am all ready to inflate my quick link balloons. You guys, this is my first time ever working with quick links. I am very excited and curious at the same time. I am using my electric balloon pump from Garland Paper and Balloon Company, and here is what I'm doing. I'm taking two balloons and inflating them at the same time into the same size, as close as possible. As soon as I'm done inflating my balloons, I am pressing them against the floor to give them a more rounder shape, and then I am tying my balloons together into a knot to create a pair like this. Keep on inflating, keep tying, let's go. Stop at this amount of balloons for now because I don't know how many pairs of balloons I would need to create a balloon column. I don't know if I told you, but I'm creating a cactus. I just took a fishing line and tied my fishing line to my first pair of balloons. I'm taking my second pair, putting it right on top of my first pair, taking my fishing line and wrapping around my newly placed balloon, pushing my balloons down, pulling on my fishing line. Be careful how hard you pull on fishing line because fishing line can cut your balloons. If you want to be safe, use 260s balloons. 260s balloons won't cut your balloons. Taking my fishing line again and wrapping around a different newly placed balloon, pull on my fishing line, push my balloons down. That's basically all you need to do to construct your basic balloon column. Taking third pair, again a little bit of pressure around with my fishing line, push and pull around my balloon with fishing line, push and pull. All right, keep constructing to the height that you want your column to be. Secure my balloon garland, I cut a long piece of fishing line. I'm holding my fishing line with one hand, with my other taking that tail and wrapping around one of the balloons. Now I created this loop over here, taking that tail and feeding that tail through the loop. Pull on my tail, do that a couple or a few times to make sure your fishing line will be secured and your balloons won't go anywhere. I am all ready to attach my balloon column to my backdrop. In the description under this video, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I show how I hang all of my garlands using backdrop, safety pins, and fishing line, and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks. Go check that video out. I do answer a whole bunch of other questions, so just pick a spot and hang, attach your column to your backdrop. Now, inflate more balloons, but smaller than you inflated for this column. These are about, like, I don't know, 8-inch balloons, something like that. Smaller than your first balloons. Balloons, I am constructing another balloon column exactly like the first one that I did, but with smaller balloons. Right, so I am ready to attach this column to my other column. And I want to create like an cactus arm over here, so I need to bend this column somehow. So here is what I'm doing. I am taking my balloons and I am twisting them to kind of bend it. Nicely, perfectly shaped arm in my opinion. And going to my cactus and kind of measuring what I want to do. So how am I supposed to attach this section to my column? You guys, I'm using glue dashes. I am putting a lot of them over here on this end of my column, and I am gluing it just like this. And then top of my arm, I am taking fishing line and tying my fishing line to my backdrop. Use good quality glue dots, you guys. Glue dashes are the best glue dots I've ever tried. They are very sticky and awesome quality. I will link them in the description under the video. So let's attach this. Of course, I need to create one more column to attach to the sides. To beautify my cactus, I want to make some balloon flowers out of these long balloons. I grabbed these balloons from my dollar store bag. I am taking my hand pump and inflating my balloon. Leaving that much of a balloon without air. Letting some air out and tying a knot. My first petal, I need to soften my balloon. Just squeeze your balloon and now measure the size of a petal you want to make. I think this looks pretty good. I am taking this balloon lip, pinching against my balloon, pinching my balloon right here with fingers and twist. Taking my balloon lip and feeding that lip through my balloon. Let it go. And now you have your first petal nice and secure. To create my second petal, I need to soften my balloon. Measure against your first petal. Pinch and twist a couple of times, a few times. And second petal is ready. Third petal, soften your balloon. Measure against one of the petals. Pinch and twist. Arrange your petals. I like to get rid of this section over here. So I'm taking my scissors, I'm pinching my top and making a small hole to deflate this part. Taking this end and intertwine this end with the rest of my balloon. Sometimes I like to take my petals and go across and kind of tighten the whole thing. You have beautiful balloon flower. Now we need to make a middle. For my middle, I want to use yellow colored balloons. This is a 260s Qualitix balloon. I am pumping a little bit of air, tying a knot, creating a very, very small petal. Taking my balloon lip and tie a knot. Cut to make a little hole to deflate the rest of the balloon. I cut way too short, but you're supposed to have this long end over here, and that way you can tie this over your flower. Because I I cut way too short of an end on my balloon middle. I took the longest end and literally intertwined that end between my petals. Only holds it very, very tight. With my cactus, I love what I see. It was so easy and fast to make, and it's so much fun to look at. Now I want to try to maybe hang some gold curtains right there behind that thing. I should have done that first. Let's try these. Maybe I will, maybe I won't attach these. Let's go. I don't know if I like this and having old gold behind. I feel like it's gonna take away from the cactus. Maybe I'll pin and make like a curtain sort of a thing. Let's play around and see what I'll come up with, but I think I'll take it down. Done constructing my cactus, you guys. I absolutely love what I see, you guys. It is so simple but so cute. I love my flowers. I ended up not adding anything else except those flowers, and I am so happy. I decided to be simple, very simple with today's setup. I didn't use any pipes to keep the structure of my cactus. If you want your cactus to stand on its own, then you would have to get a base, pipes, and make that skeleton for your cactus, and then add lots of balloons to fill in that skeleton. I ended up using 20-pound fishing line and a few glue dashes to construct this whole thing, and I used about 80 to 90 balloons for my cactus. And then 4 260s balloons in red color and 1 balloon in yellow color to create those middles. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!